Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this yummicious, crunchy, milky chim chin. Yes, this is beautiful and suitable for your family, for occasion, for your guests, or even in this festive season. Enjoy with your household. Okay, let's start. Measure out 500 grams of flour for me. If you're measuring with your cups, please use 4 leveled cup and half. Yeah, 4 leveled cups and half for this 500 grams. Remove a little flour for the kneading. Yes, you go ahead and add 4 tablespoons of sugar, leveled spoons of sugar to it. If you love sugar, please add more. The next thing, add your baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, cinnamon, half teaspoon of cinnamon. You can use nutmeg, half teaspoon of nutmeg, salt, half teaspoon of salt. This is corn flour, adding 1 tablespoon of corn flour to it. To your 2 eggs, add half teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Stir together to mix. And you measure out your butter. "100 grams of butter, that is all you need. Mix your dry ingredients thoroughly and you add your butter and you start mixing everything. Yes, mix till you have that crumb texture. You add your eggs. Mix thoroughly and you start adding your milk bit by bit. No water for this recipe. Go ahead, add your liquid milk. You can use evaporated, you can use fresh milk for this. Add till you have a good texture. Please, if you overmix, you can add a little flour to it for the kneading. If you're not good kneading inside your bowl, please bring it out to your work surface on your table and you start kneading. I'm okay, I can knead in my bowl, I can also knead in my work surface. So I'm kneading inside the bowl right now. So continue till you have a beautiful texture. If you don't knead your flour your batter very well or your dough very well, you struggle a lot, especially when you're cutting out your chin chin, sorry, not chicken. So go ahead, knead very well and you roll out. You can see how beautiful it's looking. You can see no much flour on our surface, yet it's looking beautiful. Yes, if you knead your dough very well, you will notice you will not be wasting your flour. You will not be adding much or excess much flour to your chin chin, so that when you finish fry, you will not be seeing much excess inside the oil. You can see how neat this dough is looking because there is no much flour on the surface. So continue this way. Somebody will say, ma, it will stick if I pack it this way. But the truth is that immediately you finish cutting, if you know you used the correct recipe I just mentioned earlier, feel free to pack everything, whether is mixing together, is gumming together, is sticking together. Please pack it and keep one side. Don't be afraid, I got your back. When you start frying, you will notice the magic that is good to have a good dough. Yes, don't pour much flour, especially when you use this recipe correctly. You don't need much flour. Yes, so I'll continue till I cut the last batch. This is the last one. If you notice, you can see I didn't add much flour. Yes, at least if there is nothing you are learning today, learn not to add much flour. when frying your chin chin. You can see how dry my chin chin is looking. Now it's time to fry. Allow your oil to heat properly. You can use 1 pieces to test. If it pops up, you know it's ready. Just look at that. I poured everything, and you see they will keep popping till everything is well separated. That is the magic. Yes, when you have a good dough, you don't need to struggle. You don't need to use your frying spoon to start separating them. No, they will separate on their own. Look at that dough, as if everything is sticked together. Don't worry, everything will separate when they enter the oil. That's the magic here. Look at that beauty. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipe. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do so many pastries I know you will love. So feel free to be a part of this family by clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. Whenever I drop new video, you will get an alert. And to my old subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you for coming back today to watch this beautiful video. I appreciate so much. So look at that beauty. You can see looking so beautiful. See, you need to fry to your taste. You want it so hard, you want it soft, depending. I have a daughter of 2 years, and so I don't want my chin chin dry and hard. I want it soft so that she can also enjoy, because I'm not a fan of all these pastries, so she can also enjoy it. Look at that. I'm pretty okay with this right now. I will take out and continue the last batch. Continue to fry. Just look at that. Everything is well sticked together, but immediately it enters the oil, it will separate. Yes. Somebody say, "Ma, why is your oil foaming?" Sorry, this is an old oil. I've used it before now. So don't think there is anything wrong, or when your old oil is not foaming, you're not getting it right. No. I think it's because the oil is old. This is not the first time I'm using this particular oil. So continue frying, get the exact golden brown we're looking for, and you remove. This is the first one we fried. It's a bit cold, so I poured it out. This one is also ready. Look at that beauty. Isn't this beautiful? Please, if you have not liked this video, what are you waiting for? Please click on the like button, like my video, comment, feel free to ask questions. Just imagine that. Look at this. So this cannot even take you up to an hour to prepare, especially this festive season. So make it fun trying different pastries, and tell me how you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.